Hello, in this session we will understand how to download an OS based application in the MD2148 kit. Now I have a kit here. As you can see, we have a kit here, and to download the program in a kit we need to have a cable. Now this is the cable, this is the USB cable, this is USB to serial converter. As you can see, this is USB to serial converter. So USB to serial converter. Now this serial converter is connected to this serial cable, and this cable ultimately goes to the kit. So this cable is connected to the kit, as you can see here. This is the serial cable connection. Now once the cable is connected to the kit and the power is applied, this cable, the serial cable, has to be connected to the PC. So I am going to connect that to PC. As soon as I connect the cable to the PC, it will be detected here. It will be detected, and a virtual COM port will be created. To detect which is the virtual COM port created, right click on the My Computer. Take care that you are not right clicking on the My Computer shortcut. Click on the My Computer icon. So I am clicking on the right clicking on the My Computer and selecting the properties. Now I have properties dialog box. Click on Hardware tab. Go to Device Manager, and here you will find the ports. Expand the tree, and now you find here prolific USB to serial COM port. Here you find COM3. Now this is the virtual COM port available because of the serial to USB to serial cable. This COM3 we are going to use for downloading the program. Before downloading the program, let us see what the program is. Now this is the software called Programmer's Notepad, as you can read here. In this Programmer's Notepad, we have opened the project. Let me open it once again. Open project, and so I have a project. Then the main file in the project is ex4.c. The name can be anything. Now in this project, or in this C file, there are various tasks running in the operating system. Before when the main starts, the LED system is initialized, that is, ports are adjusted, timer is initiated, and OS is initiated. 3 tasks are created. They are having function names LED flash 1, LED flash 2, LED flash 3, and having priorities 1, 2, and 3. They have different stacks: task 6 stack, task 7 stack, task 8 stack. These are ultimately arrays of the required structures. Then the OS will start with this statement. OS start is an infinite loop, and this return 0 statement will never be executed. Now whatever functions those are written here, LED flash 1, LED flash 2, LED flash 3, the bodies of those functions are here: LED flash 2, LED flash 1, and at the end there is LED flash 3. So here I have written the code. While 1, it's an infinite loop in itself. The LED is made of, second LED is made of. Then there is a function OS time delay, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. So this becomes off for, remains off for 300 milliseconds. The LED 2 is made on, the same LED is made on, and it is kept on for 420 milliseconds. The second LED, the next LED, is having timing of 2 seconds 100 milliseconds and 2 seconds 190 milliseconds, and the third LED is having 500 milliseconds and 750 milliseconds. these are the on off periods. Right, now 3 LEDs will flash, and we want to see the LEDs flashing after downloading the this simple application based on operating system. Now before compiling, we'll save it. I have already saved this, and we'll go to the project folder where there is a file called compile. This is a batch file which contains all the commands. These are the various commands. You can understand those commands later on, but let us quickly run this, and then the ex4.hex file will be created. Now this is the hex file. We will delete this file once again, so that we will create it again and make sure that it is created. I think it is being used by FlashMagic, so I will close the FlashMagic for time being and then delete this. Right, it is deleted. There is no hex file available. I will compile this, and then hex file is created. So our compilation is successful. Now this hex file we will download in the kit. So let me minimize this and start the FlashMagic program. The settings in the FlashMagic are COM3, because virtual COM port we have to use. Then baud rate can be 19200 preferably. IC is LPC2148. Interface none, that is by default ISP, in system programming, and oscillator frequency is 12 MHz on the kit. Then you need to click this erase blocks used by hex file. Select the hex file by clicking on browse and then selecting the file that you want, and do not click on do not check this verify, that is not necessary because it takes time. And set code read protection, do not use this. And now before doing this, before starting the programming, we have to make sure that by going to options, click on advanced options and then go to hardware configuration, and do not forget to check this. You must check this, otherwise the programming will not take place. So you must check this. It's already checked. I'll simply say OK, and now I have to click on start. As soon as I press start button, the downloading will start and the downloading LEDs will start blinking. So let me show those LEDs here. These LEDs will start blinking. So let me click on this. So the LEDs are blinking now, because they are being the lines are used for programming and the chip is being programmed. So let the program finish. As soon as the program is finished, the kit is automatically reset and the LEDs start flashing. So this is how you can download the program and check whether your program is appropriate or not. So I will do a small modification in the program. That is, instead of 3 LEDs, I will use only 2 LEDs and download it once again. So how do we do that? I will simply comment this, save this, this is saved, and again compile this, this is compiled. So ex4, this is new file is available. Go to FlashMagic and once again start downloading. So before I click on start, I will show you the kit. So let me press on start. And now the programming is going on, and as soon as you see that the programming is over, 2 LEDs will start flashing instead of 3, because we have commented one line. So now 2 LEDs are flashing, as you can see here. Right. So modification in the application which is based on operating system can easily be done, and those changes can be converted into hex file, and the hex file can be downloaded in the kit to verify that your program is working. So this is how we have to change the application. You may also write or add code for LED 3, 4, 5. You may also change the other code. You can create the other tasks and write the task bodies, and but this exercise was just to illustrate how can we create a application or hex file for an application based on operating system and download that in the MD2148 kit.